my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling this.
Hello guys, we just arrived here in Cape Town and we are here inside our hotel. It's called Onomo Hotel and I will do a room tour for you guys. So when you get inside the room, here's the bathroom. No tub, it's a stand shower, toilet, and here's the bed with spring mattress. There's Paige. There's a little work desk, TV. Do we have a fridge? No fridge. And we have a view of outside here. Oh, my shot is blown out. Alright, I just turned the ND filter on. There are just buildings and nothing much to see here. So the flight was a very long flight. I think LAX to our layover in London was around 10 hours. And we had an 11-hour layover there. So we just went around the city, and from London to Cape Town was another 11 hours. So we are very tired. I couldn't sleep on the plane. We're gonna take a shower, rest a little bit, and grab some lunch. And maybe look around the area. So, see you later. After resting and cleaning up, we went to this restaurant in Green Market Square called Cafe Sante. I had some peri-peri chicken and Paige had some cheeseburger. We enjoyed our meal while watching the many street performers outside the restaurant. Hi guys, we're here in Bo Kaap. This is a community of houses with lots of colors, which is one of the most Instagrammable spots here in Cape Town, South Africa. Bo Kaap, also known as the Malay Quarter, is known for its brightly colored homes and cobblestone streets. After exploring Bo Kaap, we decided to spend the rest of the day at the V&A Waterfront. With Table Mountain as a dramatic background, this is one of Cape Town's go-to places for dining, shopping, and entertainment.
He's going blind, caught in an action, I can't rewind, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel.
For dinner, we had a very delicious seafood platter. Stay tuned to see more of our South Africa adventure. I'll see you in the next video.
I know this can't be forever.